How to scan on Microsoft OneDrive. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to scan on Microsoft OneDrive very easy and fast. So all what you have to do is so easy. Go to Microsoft OneDrive. As you can see, this is the home page. Now just go to the top corner right here and click on the plus option. Now click on scan option right here. It will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is choose if you want to scan a document right here, or if you want to scan a whiteboard or a business card or a photo. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.